So, welcome back to another Random Hobby channel. As usual, 3 packs a day para matapos na ang ating drip feeding ng Final Fantasy. Makamove on na tayo sa ibang set. So, dalawa lang naman pinagdadasal ko eh. Stay with me or Full Art Tifa. Masaya na ako. Summon Chocomoc, Kutrob Forayer, Bard's Bow, Sage's Newleaf, Stygian Elder, You're Not Alone, Seed Timeless Artificer, another Seed type, Opera Love Song. Mas gusto ko yung sa FF15 ba yun? Na Seed, Circle of Power. Yes! Sa wakas, Fang, Fearless LC. At least may kapares na yung isa. Yay! Nakuha natin yung lower half. Yuna, Hope of Spyra. Not bad. Not bad. And Walker. Woo! Venat, Heart of Hyde, Lilolia. I don't know how much is this. But it is also a foil. Oh, Mother Crystal, nice. So, not bad, not bad. Uy, oh. Aha. Comic-Con, Gamescom sa Cologne today. I don't know, I didn't know. Imperial Subduer. Bakit hindi ako pumunta? Bakit hindi ko yun ginawang vacation? 8 hours lang na biyahe. Inquisitor Infiltrator. But better luck next year. Experimental Synthesizer. Moonsnare Prototype. Light the Way. Glowing Torment. Jukai Preserver. Automated Artificer. Behold the Unspeakable. Vision of the Unspeakable. Bronze Plate Boar, Silver Foil Master, Blossom Prancer, a Dragon Kami Reborn. I think magagawal tayo sa oras. Dragon Kami's Egg, Dismal Backwater, Spirit Token. So, I think that's all for now. Mukhang hindi kaya sa 10 seconds. But, thank you for watching. Pakmas! Ciao, ciao!